Are you looking for the best pizza ovens? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best pizza ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kettle Pizza Pro Pizza Oven Kit. This kit has a 15-inch pizza stone, wooden peel, and stainless steel lid that transforms any gas grill into a pizza oven. If you want to try your hand at pizza making but don't have room for another big gadget, this kit is a great way to do it. Unlike an actual oven, it's easy to store when not in use and produces similar results to some of the full ovens we tested. We found it easy to set up and bring to a relatively consistent heat, with a few minor hot spots. The angle of the lid helps direct heat down, so it cooks the top of the pizza as well as the bottom. The large opening makes it easy to turn the pizzas, and we found that cooking pizzas with the grill lid closed produced the best results. Number 2. Unikaru 12 Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven. I fell in love with this 26-pound rectangular marvel of stainless steel and ceramic fiber during the first firing with charcoal and wood, says Food and Wine Editor-in-Chief Hunter Lewis. This nifty pizza oven from Uni is small enough to be portable and can operate on wood, charcoal, or natural gas, so you can customize your cooking experience based on your preferred fuel source. For both wood and charcoal, the fuel tray encourages airflow, allowing the oven to reach and maintain high temperatures. Gas, of course, is still the fastest route to cooked pizza. Within 30 minutes, my infrared thermometer clocked the pizza stone at 900 degrees, says Lewis. After I dialed down the power of the wood flame that licked the roof of the oven and washed over the dough, the machine turned out gorgeously charred pizzas with crispy bottoms and bubbly crusts in less than 90 seconds. Keep in mind that because of the hybrid fuel feature, we did find that the Karu requires some extra assembly up front. After the initial setup, it's a breeze to operate. We've also tested the larger sibling to this model, the Unikaru 16, and found that it's equally efficient and a delight to use, especially if you're interested in firing up slightly larger pies. For the added flexibility of speedy propane with the option to take it slow with a charcoal char, the Karu range can't be beat. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. We made crispy pizzas right from our countertop with Breville's Smart Pizza Oven. Although indoor pizza ovens can't reach the same temperatures as outdoor ovens, this oven still yielded golden brown crusts regardless. We found that it heated up evenly and efficiently, and we love that it requires no assembly. Simply take it out of the box, plug it in, and select from one of the machine's preset options like wood-fired, thin and crispy, or pan pizza. If you prefer a little more control over the ebbs and flows of the baking process, the Breville's manual mode offers greater control over the heating style, allowing you to individually manipulate the radiant heat, conductive heat, and convective heat. Radiant heat is an intense, direct heat designed to give a spotted crust, conductive heat controls the heated base that gives a charred bottom, and convective heat ensures that perfectly melted cheese. We were consistently impressed by how evenly each pizza cooked and recommend this model for quick, efficient pizza indoors. Number 4. Gosney Rockbox Pizza Oven. The Gosney Rockbox Pizza Oven is easy to use, thanks to the large opening and the smaller pizza peel that comes included. The smaller peel fits easily into the oven, which makes rotating pies simple and efficient. This oven heats quickly and retains heat for consistent cooking throughout. Although it takes slightly longer than some other ovens to cook each pizza, it did so evenly and efficiently, resulting in pies that were golden brown and nicely melted. This oven operates on gas for convenience, but users can purchase a detachable wood burner for added flavor. When it comes to portability, we love that the retractable legs and detachable burners make this oven easy to pack up and transport. The silicone outer body means it's safer to touch than other metal-bodied options too. This pizza oven can perch just about anywhere, and it's a great option for cooks who love camping or vacationing in the great outdoors. Number 5. Unikota 12 Gas-Powered Outdoor Pizza Oven. Our best overall pick's little sibling, the Unikota 12, is a professional quality pizza oven that comes at a much more affordable price than some of its counterparts. One of the lighter pizza ovens we tested, it's incredibly easy to assemble and maneuver. We found that it holds heat well and produces pizzas with a golden, crispy crust and melty cheese. Pizzas cooked quickly. We also love that the foldable legs have non-slip feet for added security. Though we found it to be convenient overall, this model does take some getting used to. We noticed that the smaller opening can make properly turning the pizza challenging because there isn't enough space to rotate it. For best results, opt for a smaller pizza peel that can work more efficiently. It's still just as consistent and reliable as the Coda 16 and great for households with less storage space or beginners who want to try out a pizza oven for the first time. Number 6. Coda 16 Gas Pizza Oven. The Coda 16, now almost synonymous with tabletop pizza ovens, is the most reliable and user-friendly pizza oven we've tested after dozens of products and hundreds of pizzas. It's one of the easiest to use and assemble of all the models we tried. Simply take it out of the box and open the legs. Once hooked up and ignited with the gas switch, we found that heat was consistent from the back of the oven to the front, a tall order for most ovens. It took about 25 minutes to heat up to the ideal temperature and cooked our pizzas in a lightning-fast 1 minute 15 seconds, which is right under the 90 seconds that touts for average cook time. One caveat for this model is you'll need to be mindful about turning the pizza. Those flames are hot, but the large oven opening makes it easy to maneuver the pies as needed. We had far more control over the finished product with the Coda than all other models we tried, which is critical for a quality pizza oven. Though it's a heavy-duty gadget, it's still lightweight enough for one person to move it on their own. It's a fantastic option for pizza enthusiasts looking for their next favorite gadget, and its convenience is undeniable for everyday use. For that speed combined with heating power, crust consistency, and ease of use, all for a relatively good price tag, nothing else quite compares to the Coda 16.